Cookeville Mayor Ricky Shelton.
And I'm Putnam County Mayor Randy Porter. This is our COVID-19 coronavirus community update for Monday, April the 6th. Today, as of 2 p.m., our total number of confirmed positives in Putnam County is 55, which is 3 more than yesterday. The other counties in the Upper Cumberland that have confirmed positives are Cannon with 7, Clay with 1, Cumberland with 26, DeKalb County with 7, Fentress County has 2, Jackson County has 3, Macon County has 11, Overton County has 4, Smith County has 3, Warren County has 1, and White County has 2. Again, Putnam County has 55 confirmed cases, which is 3 more than yesterday. Remember, this number does not include all of the cases from Signature Healthcare yet. It does have some of them, just not all of them. I know that is very frustrating, and it is for us, but the state has to verify all those cases and work through them for them to be listed in our final number, so please bear with us on that. So expect our number to rise significantly in the next day or so when the rest of those are added. We can only report the actual confirmed cases that have been verified by the state. We know these numbers are sometimes lagging based on the number of tests that are performed on a daily basis. I say all of this again to prepare you for what's coming in the next few days. The more we test, the more our positives are going to continue to rise. Mayor Shelton?
We must continue our efforts to stop the spread of COVID in our community. Please listen, follow the directives, take personal responsibility, heed the guidance from experts, and do your part to stop the spread. Use common sense so that you can protect one another. Stay home, save lives, do your part, stay apart. It doesn't matter what anyone is telling us to do or not to do. We are a community that comes together to collectively do the right thing and take care of each other. The people of Cookeville and Putnam County are incredible and continue to show why this is the best
place to live, work, and raise your family. Now you can actually hear me. Let's keep encouraging one another so we can get through this as quickly as possible. Mayor?
County offices remain closed for walk-ins, but available by appointment only. There's no court at the Justice Center as far as personal court goes, but if they're as far as inmates and people that are in custody, those cases continue. If you have questions about your court case, please call your attorney. All of our sports facilities remain closed, along with our community centers and the library. For a detailed list, you can go to our website at putnamcountytn.gov.
Cane Creek Park is open 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. However, the main entrance drive-in gates are closed, so you will need to park at the Cane Creek Rec Center, which is closed, and walk in. Utilize your social distancing while you're walking and getting exercise. Also, senior citizens can register for a daily check-in call by our police department at bettercookeville.com. Click COVID, and there's a link to this city service. Cookeville Regional Medical Center update currently has 5 inpatients tested positive for COVID. CRMC also has 3 employees that have tested positive and are in isolation at home. From the state level, all state parks are closed. The governor, as you know, mandated a stay-at-home directive. It means don't go out, leave your house unless it's absolutely essential. If you need to go out to get groceries, don't take your kids unless there's absolutely no other option. So one person in the house go instead of the family. One person, one cart. Or you can utilize delivery service, curbside pickup, online shopping. You still have the right to choose to use even more precautions than the state has mandated. Just a reminder, you do not need papers to travel to and from work or anywhere else. The essential business list only lists the businesses that can be open. It does not say who can be in those businesses or what can be purchased. It's up to those businesses to be socially responsible to manage that. The police department will not be doing that. The police are not going to randomly pull you over for being out unless, of course, you did something else that warrants a pullover to begin with. You can go get stuff for your healthcare needs or other people's healthcare needs, as well as go to the grocery store or Walmart or get spark plugs for your car at the auto store. You can pretty much go outside and do anything you want, including go for a drive to see the trees blooming, so long as you practice health guidelines. Hunting and fishing, driving, riding in a vehicle, walking, hiking, running, biking, swimming, kayaking, canoeing, golf, tennis, or other sports or recreational activities that can be performed while maintaining the distancing precautions. You can go visit friends and family if you want. You can go to your essential job. You can go take care of people. You can both leave and enter the state of Tennessee, and you can drop off and pick up your kids. But when you return home, you need to wash your hands and wipe down anything you touched. I will now ask State Senator Paul Bailey to share a State of Tennessee update. Senator?
Thank you, Mayor. Today, Tennessee Governor Bill Lee announced $200 million in grants to be distributed to every county and city government across Tennessee for one-time local expenses in fiscal year 2021. Funding is based on population as published by the U.S. Census Bureau. Each county will receive at least $500,000 and each city or municipality will receive at least $30,000. Putnam County will be receiving $1,111,411, and the city of Cookeville will receive $780,438. The cities of Allgood, Baxter, and Monterey will also be receiving funds. The application will be made available by April 30th, 2020, and the funds will be available after July 1st, 2020. Funds may be used for road projects, IT upgrades, capital maintenance, utility system upgrades, and public safety projects. One-time expenses related to COVID-19 are eligible, including supply and equipment purchases, cleaning, emergency food, and shelter programs. Counties impacted by the March 2020 tornadoes may also use the funds for tornado relief efforts. Governor Lee also announced the state of Tennessee will allocate $10 million in small and rural hospital readiness grants to support hospitals that are facing financial strain due to the ongoing response to COVID-19. The funds will be capped at $500,000 per hospital. Cookeville Regional Medical Center will be applying for the grant. The grants will serve as a bridge over the coming weeks while elective procedures are suspended. Just a few things to note in regards to those businesses filing tax returns. Tax filing due dates have been extended. The Tennessee Department of Revenue has extended the due date for filing and paying franchise and excise tax from April 15th, 2020 to July 15th, 2020. The filing deadline for business tax returns, originally due April 15th, 2020, has been extended to June 15th, 2020. The department has extended the due date for filing and paying the Hall income tax from April 15th to July 15th, 2020. Now, those Tennesseans that are self-employed can apply for unemployment. When you file, you will see a message stating that you are monetarily ineligible. This does not mean your claim has been denied or you did anything wrong. As soon as the federal government allows, Tennessee will disperse your benefits, and you can apply online at jobs4tn.gov. Again, that's jobs4tn.gov. To help our small businesses, the federal government has passed legislation called the Paycheck Protection Program. Tennessee bankers have been working diligently over the last week and through the weekend to prepare for and attempt to implement the Small Business Association Paycheck Protection Program. The PPP, which went live Friday, April 3rd, was a launch of the $350 billion loan program for small businesses. Banks have encountered significant hurdles on onboarding the Paycheck Protection Plan. Tennessee bankers ask for patience from the public over the next several days as the program begins, and they urge borrowers to reach out to their banker so that they can work in partnership to understand all of the options available to best fit each financial situation. And remember, do your part and stay apart. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Bailey, and we appreciate all that you've been doing for us to work with us, especially during the tornado and this coronavirus. He's been on the phone with us about daily, and sometimes it was 10 or 15 times a day, and the response that we have gotten from the state level has been unbelievable, and we thank you, Senator Bailey, for all that you've done for us. I want to give you an update on our tornado cleanup progress. Currently, we are estimating we are about 60% complete. Custom Tree Care, who is performing the cleanup, will be working this week, but plan on taking off Friday, Saturday, and Sunday so they can be at home with their family during Easter. These guys have been working 7 days a week for almost 3 weeks, and they do need a small break, and we appreciate what they have come and done for our county and city. For our property owners in the tornado damage zone, please listen very carefully. We need you to get your debris out to the county right-of-way by the street in the next week or so. Cleanup crews plan on finishing up the week after Easter. If for whatever reason you cannot get your debris moved, please contact us at 931-646-INFO. That's 931-646-4636, and we will try and help you. We have several volunteers and contractors that are donating time and equipment, and we very much appreciate each one of those. So if you know of a property owner in the tornado damage zone, please help us get the word out that we are looking to finish the cleanup by April 18th, and if they are having problems with debris movement, please call us at 646-INFO. Also, if you are a survivor and need anything, whatever it might be, please don't hesitate to call us at that same number, 646-4636. Mayor Shelton?
I know my mic was off, so I'll just repeat a couple things that you possibly didn't hear the first time. And it was, stay home, save lives, do your part, stay apart. It doesn't matter what anyone's telling us to do or not to do. We are a community that comes together to collectively do the right thing and take care of each other. The people of Cookeville, Putnam County are incredible and continue to show why this is the best place to live, work, and raise your family. So this is serious. It's a serious virus, and so we are asking you to take it serious. It's spreading, and no one is immune, but so many think they are invincible and that it won't infect them. It affects all ages. We must stay home, and if out for a necessary need, physically distance. It makes a difference to protect the health and safety of your family and everyone else. So again, don't panic, but be supportive of one another. Wash your hands. Imagine that every place and every person, including you, are crawling with a COVID germ, and act accordingly. Stay at home and away from people as much as possible. Make reasonable, educated, common sense decisions. The sooner everyone follows these directions, stays home, and acts responsibly, the sooner all of this will be over. We can get this behind us. For the most up-to-date COVID-19 information, links, and resources, visit bettercookeville.com. We will get through this. Continue to pray for our country, our healthcare workers, and our responder, and let's choose faith over fear. God bless.
Mayor Shelton and I continue to talk to you about the COVID-19 virus because we want you to have the latest info and be as transparent as we possibly can. As Mayor Shelton said, we need you to act like you have the virus and it's on everything you touch. If we all act like we're infected, then you should be doing everything you can to stay away from others to stop the spread. To get past this terrible disease, we all have to take this serious and do everything we can to fight it. We don't want you to panic, but we need you to take this serious, and some of you still are not. The next week or so is going to be critical in fighting this disease. Remember, stay at home unless you absolutely have to go out. Use good hygiene, wash your hands, sanitize frequently, stay off of public playgrounds and avoid public facilities. Use good social distancing and avoid gatherings of any type. Don't make daily trips to the store. Get what you need to last you a few days. Each time you venture out, you risk coming in contact with the virus. Remember, we have created a map of Putnam County businesses and restaurants with business hours and details on carry-out and delivery service, which is on our website at putnamcountytn.gov. If your business has closed or you have changed your hours or services, please go back to the website and update your information on your business. Also, we have a lot of businesses who are currently hiring, and many of you are looking for jobs during this COVID-19 pandemic. If you are a local business that is hiring, would you please contact Mayor Shelton or I on our Facebook pages and let us know. We will be working to get the word out about job openings, both temporary and permanent openings, to help connect those without jobs to the companies looking for help. So again, if your business is looking to hire, and we know several of you are, please contact Mayor Shelton or I on our Facebook pages, and we will be posting those job openings. Also, remember, if you're asking or filing for unemployment, remember Congress has increased the amount that they're going to be giving you for unemployment. I think that's about $600. If you have questions, please contact the state unemployment office and they can help you. As we continue to say day after day, we live in an awesome community where we work together as a team to fight this dreaded disease. We're Putnam County strong, and we will get through this. As I say, and my elders before me have said, this too shall pass. Mayor Shelton and I will continue to do live updates and keep you informed. Our next update will be Wednesday at 4 p.m. Please continue to keep us as your community leaders in your prayers, along with our city, county, state, and country. May God bless.
Well, I'll share one more thing that came to my mind, and we were talking about this. We get quite a few messages, and we can't always respond to all of them, but we've gotten a few emails pertaining to various businesses that you think may or may not should be open, or employees tested and your employer isn't doing that. That really is a question for the health department. So direct your questions to the health department if they're following the healthy guidelines if you're asking if they should or shouldn't be, that really needs to be addressed to the health department. So that way you can hopefully get an answer to your question.
A lot of those questions are about whether a business is a necessity or not, where it's absolutely necessary to be open.
Right.
And we can't answer those questions as much as we try to help you. These all come down as part of the governor's orders.
They're very broad.
They are. They're very broad. So if you have a question, please contact the state health department or the governor's office.
Mm-hmm.
They can help you with those, and especially if you have someone that you don't think is abiding by the regulation
Correct.
or by the order, well, please contact them. We'll do our best to keep you informed, as we always have. We try to be as transparent as we possibly can, and we'll continue to work together to keep you updated as much as possible. And I appreciate Mayor Shelton and all we do to work together, and all the guys behind the scene here that you don't see, all of our technology department, WCTE, Brandon Smith, and all the folks working so hard to make these live updates possible each day. We say thank you and a deep debt of gratitude to each one of you.
Thanks so much.
Have a blessed day.